In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to scan Instagram QR codes. By scanning a QR code, users can instantly follow accounts, explore content, or engage with campaigns without the hassle of searching manually. To do this, simply head to Instagram. On your profile page, you want to tap on Share Profile. Your QR code will be generated. Now to scan other people's account QR codes, simply tap right here. Put your phone camera to the sent code, and it will automatically take you to their account. Now let's say you don't have another phone to scan the code. Simply head to the sent photo with the QR code. You will just have to long hold in the middle of the QR code. Then tap on Open in Instagram. It will automatically take you to their account. Well, that's how easy it is to scan QR code on Instagram. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.